Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to look for Indian Institute of Technology in Jammu. Okay, IIT Jammu. They announced for PhD admission in the year 2026. So that detail only we are going to look in this video. So those who are not a subscriber, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. And from here we are going to look for all the detail over here. So whether you are going to apply for a PhD in a sense, it will be a helpful video. So without making delay, let's see. So this is what July session, okay, for the academic year 2026 and 2027, they are recruiting for PhD candidates. Okay, so from here they are accepting application only through the portal only, through the online, not for any hard copy, you're not required to send. Okay, so the portal opened on March 27, 2026. Okay, so it closes on April 20, 2026. So almost more than a month it's available. Okay, so what you need to do, there are limited areas available. Okay, from this respective institute, limited areas available for full-time as well as off-campus PhD position is available. And applicant shortlisted only for specific research area. Okay, so from there they have given for a research area for each and every department. That respective area only they are selecting the candidate. So how they are selecting in a sense for campus based scholars as well as for professional and off campus, they are dividing these two. For campus based in a sense, you can do for institute research. Okay, that means IIT institute research for full-time scholar. And externally funded, okay, some of the government organization they will be funded to IIT, that also we can do as a full-time scholar. But you should possess for any scholarship related to this CSIR, GPAT, SCRP, DST, PM, or for Vishwesvaraya schemes. So any one of the scheme you can do it, that they are dividing as externally funded. And another one, external project funding. Okay, full-time scholar tied with specific grants. Okay, that is what related to even for private is also available. The funded institute, through that you can do for full-time. And another one, professional and off-campus. Off-campus external, some of the companies they will sponsor for the candidate, you can go and do for research, right? So that kind of candidate coming under sponsored professional working anywhere. Okay, so that will come under for off-campus external. And for part-time in a sense, especially located in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they can do for off-campus part-time, but the respective candidate need to locate for a geographical area within Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh area only. Okay, and institute staff, those who are working for IIT Jammu, that people also they can work. So these are the category they have been divided. And reservation norms they have given strictly extended as per Government of India rules across all category. So whatever category Government of India is allocated, that category they will post for candidate. And for the highest degree, if you're looking in a sense, engineering and science as well as for humanities, that's also available, but from here it's missed. Okay, and bachelor degree in engineering or technology, that is also selected. And if you're looking in a sense, good academic record is required for master degree in engineering and technology. And if you're in master degree in science in a sense, that is also for GATE or any other this one, what is that, national level examination score is required, that's compulsory. Okay, and for another one, UGC, CSIR, NET, or a lecturership, some of the candidate they hold for lecturership, that those candidate qualify for the interview stage and potential institute fellowship. Because some of the candidate once cross for the ladies under 35 years old, and after that they never get for scholarship JRF, right? So such kind of candidate, what they will do, they can conduct through interview, and after that, not for only after 35. I'm telling for the example. Okay, so suppose you not even clear for JRF, you are holding for a net lecturership in a sense. You will be selected through interview, and after that you will be eligible for institute fellowship. Okay, and for engineering candidate, what you need to do, exceptional academic record along with GATE score is required. Okay, and from here they have given one additional thing. Suppose if you have completed for your graduate NIT, IITs, IISER or IISc with BTech in a sense, above 80 as well as above 80 percentage of marks you are holding in a sense, you're not required for any gate. Straight away it will be appointed after the interview. So this is what the basic eligibility criteria. Okay, And another one, what are the dimension they are giving for off-campus as well as part-time candidate, external as well as part-time candidate, in a sense, each and every criteria they have given. The first criteria, if you're looking employment requirement, minimum 2 years regular employment is required, okay, and along with the employer sponsorship for the external candidate. And for location, geographical location, anywhere in a sense, anywhere in the world, that's a meaning, okay. And institutional MOE, it's required waived of government PSU research lab or top NIRF ranked institute. Suppose if you're applying, in a sense, you should be coming under these things, okay. Suppose you have completed any other institute that is not coming under NIRF ranked, or else it's not approved by UGC or government, in a sense, it's not applicable, it's not possible at all. So it's very important thing required. And residency, campus residency, 1 to 3 semester of coursework plus 3 weeks of campus visit every semester. That is, a 3 weeks is required every semester. You need to come and stay over there. And supervision structure, if you're looking, in a sense, doctorate level supervisor, the parent organization. Suppose if you're in another country or if you're in another state, from there it's required for a supervisor, along with an IIT Jammu supervisor also, okay, for the external point of view. And for part-time point of view, a regular full-time employee. You should be a regular full-time employee, and it's coming under any armed forces or government warranty or any industry, in private industry also. Parent organization must be strictly located in, this is very very important, geographical location for part-time. But from external it's not required. And no MOE specified, relies on standard NOC. If it is nearby, in a sense, no MOE specified, standard NOC you need to produce, that's what they are telling. And same thing, what is applicable for external, same thing for part-time also. And from here it's not required for parent supervisor, it's not mandatory. Why? Because nearby the campus only you're locating, right? So that's the reason it's not required at all. And for research ecosystem, okay, 12 dedicated department is available over here, along with the interdisciplinary also. It's a core engineering, along with that these kind of departments, civil, mechanical, chemical, material, and fundamental science and maths, physics, chemistry, and mathematics is available. Along with that, interdisciplinary is also available, that we can look what all the department is having for interdisciplinary. And advanced computing system, computer science, electrical, and life science and humanities, humanities and social sciences, normally it's available for all economics, like that kind of departments. And domain focus for core engineering, in a sense, these kind of areas, okay. Before itself I told you, if you're coming under these areas only you can apply, okay. Suppose under the civil engineering you're looking for some other area, some other specialization, in a sense, you're not required to apply. That has been provided already by IIT Jammu. So you can look over here what all the areas will be available here for mechanical, material, civil engineering, chemical engineering, and everything. Just you can go through it. And for computer science, engineering, and electrical engineering, okay, these are all the specialized area whether you're going to apply for PhD. So you can look over here whether you're looking for such kind of areas or not. And if you're looking for science and humanities, if you're looking physics, chemistry, okay, science and mathematics, if you're looking for mathematics, these kind of areas, and physics and chemistry, these kind of areas. And next, for bioscience and bioengineering, in a sense, this is for the specialized area. And from here, humanities and social sciences, if you're looking, social psychology, social stigma, gender and sexuality, culture, if you're looking, in a sense, sociology, anthropology, and cultural studies, and economics, it's available, development, financial, environment. So say for example, for an MBA student, sometimes they focus and they will do it for PhD in financial aspect, right? So that also you can do it under the economics department, okay. And specialized sound studies available for JRF. So this respective area, it's required JRF candidate only, okay. That's very important, they are not selecting for other candidate, even net lecturership position, okay. And interdisciplinary, artificial intelligence, clinical healthcare, advanced material, these three department available for interdisciplinary, okay. So from here they have given IDP project fuse multiple discipline, they have high specific project by project eligibility criteria, supersede standard institute requirement, applicant must match the exact profile requested for each specific project, okay. So it is interrelated to project, so each and every project what will be the specialization they are giving, based on that only they will select, that's what they have given. So totally these kind of project title and qualification they have given, So just you can go through it. Whether you are having such kind of quality, you can apply for project itself. Okay, you will get a stipend straight away with the project. Go through it, and after that you can apply. And deep learning in medical imaging, this is what the eligibility condition as well as for the area. And AI in machine learning, predictive modeling for healthcare precision medicine. Okay, the focus area they have given, as well as for the eligibility also have given. Okay, suppose if you're going to do for AI and healthcare in a sense. So how you need to apply? You need to go for respective portal. After that you can apply, and there is a application fee. And if your general economic weaker section, OBC non-creamy layer in a sense, 300 per department. Okay, you need to pay. Suppose if you are applying for more than two in a sense, that is a two times. Okay, that's a thing. And SC SAP WD 200 per department. Okay. And for verification, upload latest category certificate, okay, issued on or after April 1, 2025. All the format they have given from the advertisement itself. I will show you where it's available and all those things. Okay. And professional certificates are allowed at admission provided. Final document are submitted within 15 days of class commencement. So once you are selected, and after 15 days, okay, once selected, within 15 days, you need to submit all your document, whatever they asked you. So the final check we can look, review all the research area limiters. Shortlisting is restricted to advertised area. See here, advertised area only they are looking, and they are shortlisting also. So keen on look those detail. Confirm your degree matches the specific track, especially for IGP project. Okay, so your degree should be a match for interdisciplinary project. And NOC sponsorship forms if you are applying off-campus professional. Okay, NOC is required. That already we look. That's very important. And latest category certificate, that's required. Suppose if there is any query in a sense, you can contact this respective email as well as for the phone. So submit your application April 2026. Share the blueprint of future discovery. That means you need to take it one application form for your future verification. Okay, so this is what the respective institute website, IIT Jammu.ac.in. For that you can come down, news and updates is available. From here you can click as read all. Once you're clicking this one, it will be loaded, and from there it's available for all the advertisement related information. Okay, so straight away you need to go there. So once if it is open, from here you can look admission to PhD program July session for academic year 2026. Just you can click over here. Once you are clicking, all the detail will be available. The detailed, see here, detailed advertisement, research area, and for online by accessing website as well as PhD program. So this is what detailed advertisement. Once you're clicking this respective detail will come. Okay, this is what the information, detailed information will be coming. So you can go through it, whatever we look, that is what available over here. And the forms available at the end. Okay, and from here if you're looking in a sense at the forms available at the end, see here, certificate of employing organization for external candidate, all the forms whatever is required they have provided. So you can get based on that, okay, all the detail, and after that you can submit on it. That you can go through it. And for the this one related to, yeah, same detail only. Okay, so this one I'm closing off. From here it's available. Okay, and research areas, if you're looking in a sense, this is what research area, each and every department we already look. Suppose if you want to look in a sense, you can look on it. Humanities, it is available, financial, environmental, economics, public finance. Okay, suppose if you are doing in a sense, you can also do it. Okay, for MBA students also you can try on it, suppose in the specialization for finance. And if you're going to apply in a sense, just you can click for admission. That will open like this. Okay, and from here see admission PhD program. Once you're clicking this one, it will come here. Just you can click over here, you can enter all the detail and go ahead and apply on it. So right now I explained to you where it's available, full detail. Okay, how you can apply, what are the things, if you want to look for research areas, everything you can go through it, and after that you can apply. I think this respective information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, you can like as well as subscribe and share to your friends, those who are looking for such kind of PhD admissions. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.